everyone, welcome to our channel. It's Malay Philippines. It's Sunday evening. We're here in Cale Commercial here in Epo Center in Angeles City, and we're going to take some video here and you can take a look and what food here.
Many people here.
Boss, exit na tayo na saka kinaganda yung organizer mo ba yun mamaya?
Another vlogger, Shaira. Barbecue. Mhm. Filipino foods? I use menu. I want to check menu. Hungry? Oh, you choose what you want. Every Sunday so many people here, but today holiday.
Oh, General, request ako isang
General.
Ay, isipin ko muna kung makakadalaw ko dyan, General. Nag-request ako sa Malacanang.
Вот here.
Makakusap ko na ako ni Tita Sara sa kasi Agad Bongbong. Nasa Pampanga ako. Nasa Pampanga ako, General. Happy birthday to you! Kaya ka sana, mami. Sana huwag ka sana magkasakit. Yes! Malin mo yung mga anak mo. Para hindi magalit ang mga anak mo, kausapin mo ng matino. Yes! Alam din, huwag mong pagalitan ng anak mo kung may anak ka ba. Yun ang wish ko sa'yo, para hindi sila magagalit. Kaya ikaw, salamat.
You can buy something. You want shawarma? This one? Wrap?
Oh, maluto! Lasatin! Okay, yan na! Violet Rodrasman! Look at the picture. You're my Violet Rodrasman. You like 50 pula, Lasatin.
Lasatin?
Okay? What's your name?
Leon.
What?
Leon.
Leon?
Leon.
Leon?
Yes.
Okay. You like you single? Single?
My wife.
Oh my God. You see good. Very, very, very beautiful.
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay?
Yeah, it's
Good
okay.
job.
Yeah.
You're not crazy. Okay?
You army.
Right, wait.
You are from Philippine army.
Yeah,
you can.
yeah, yeah. You enjoyment, you're happy, you're barbarkat sa kokorongko. Yeah, you barbarkat sa you kokorongko. You one na lang, you single, okay?
Okay.
Okay, family, you happy. Good job.
Okay. Thank you.
3-star general. My
Okay.
Uncle Bongbong and then Sara Duterte, my ate.
I know. I know.
Okay, you good job.
Thank you.
Carry on.
So we show already the place here in Hilda Street, and you know, you seen also the famous person here in Angeles City.
Yes. In Balibaga, so many times we talked with him before.
So we just give little bit some money so that she can buy some food. So thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe and like. Salamat.
Guys, if you see this person in the Angeles City, you can give little bit money to him. He is good person. He can talk with you. Thank you for watching.